Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace this Buick Envision 2021 key for battery replacement. The battery you will need is a CR2450 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so all we will need is a small flathead and a replacement battery. First thing we have to do is to take the emergency key by pressing this button right here. Okay, I'm sure we have done this before, but here we go. We take the key. Now we have to take the cover off. Okay, so as you can see, there is a small slot right here. Maybe I'll show it here. Right here. I put the key and I turn clockwise. Okay, once again. Right here. I turn clockwise and I pull up. Do it gently, no need to apply a lot of pressure, okay? And it comes out. Very easy. Now if this falls, this piece of plastic, okay, it's not a big deal. You just have to put it back like this. Happened to me already a few times. Alright? Now we just have to take the battery, as I said, CL2450 with a flathead underneath the battery, and it comes off, okay? This is a good one. I will put it back in and I press, and we just take the cover, make sure everything fits. Alright, like that, tight, put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.